Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngOthando Nesithembu. Bazalwane, I'm recording this now because literally it's going to be a brief one, right? Uthando Nesithembu. Akina first and foremost. I could not watch half of the show because umakhwela nangu nomuntu wakhe nanta temsele ukimthomhulu konna la nhlaba ngiyamuthompa ntatola ore yo ngiyamuthompa ntatemsele kunna ngwano u busy baby ka sekhowa ashu o rubala modi mantatemsele ku sorry ke Motswana I forget, but for me, it was uncomfortable to watch Usamke nalo baba, them being on the bed with rose petals and stuff. I was like, yo guys, I'm kicking one or bang. But nonetheless, umselo amkhiphe baye on barking balo shabadi polokholo nyana ke until rona azangara yira ngwano wa yirela ke msele but nonetheless a re mo rena kuhanjwe. It was romantic, it was beautiful, and that's when Usamke showed Umselegu ukuthi she's pregnant, right? And now here are the thing. Remember the nails zaga banlumntwana usne maguyolotshola bezimhlophe, and then now she's wearing the same jacket and then they're making the red nails. I'm thinking ukuthi mina igift ka mamkhulu bebayibekile bazoyenza iscene the second time around ukuthi ama cameras are roll again. I don't know, but I might be reaching, right? All right, sharp. Back to Usamke nomseleku bajabule. Umseleku was so happy ukuthi bebathi angisindoda kalutho, angibi nomntwana, angisaprekisi, but ke now ngiprekisile ngizoba no weekend. Ajabule Usamke ukuthi indoda enabantwana abayimillion ingajabulela nje ukuthi mina ngiprek hayi kuhanje nje vele kube right. But ke umseleku the pressure was we need to tell mamkhulu, Usamke did not understand the pressure ukuthi why umamkhulu needs to be told, but it's something that needs to happen, right? Okay, sharp. We saw that part of the scene. Then I did not like ipart ka mamkhulu no Sne. Umamkhulu forcing Usne ukuthi Usne agaye on the trip that she does not want to go. She's thinking of her feelings before ama feelings ka Sne. Yes, Usne unabantwana, but naye esugogo wabantwana, she can easily go and sort out them. Excuse me. But waputa Usne on the corner, mentioning abantwana bakasne ukuthi phela abantwana bakho kumele badle bageze bayenze menze self catering le Usne ke aqina vumile, but she emphasized ukuthi labanye abafazi bakababakhe akabafuni, they don't love her, they don't respect her, and the feeling is therefore mutual, which I did not appreciate for her to say on TV, because ezinye izinto nje uyayigwinya umuntu udile naye the udilanga naye ngakhona. Ezinye izinto their family dynamics, yes you need to express yourself ukuthi I'm not comfortable, but yokuthi angibafuni. I was like I wouldn't say that, but ke Usne ended up saying all those shenanigans. But ke a questioning is buzayon. I'm sure Usne uzohamba sesiqedile kule. Why do you think Umselegu is pushing ukuthi umacele azi kusase manje? And then guys, do you guys still think ukuthi umakhwela nomseleku are acting? Because I'm sure you guys were saying hey ba act like a story in. Do you still think they're acting? That's just me now asking. Nangizozwa ngani ke ishoni ke ukuthi kwenzakalani. For me, I could not watch what was happening. Ke bone nje ntate le ngwana ba le busy ba irang papa, like I saw Umseleko as my dad dating my friend or someone younger than me, like someone as young as my sister, and like I was like, oh no horaf. But ke akithi hore wena o ibone byang. Let me know how you saw Uthando Nesithembu. Oh, guys, furthermore, I heard that the episodes were extended because remember we were thinking we were left with 2 more episodes. It looks like we're left with 6 more. They were extended into 10 or whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Mara ke yona e otaba ya Uthando Nesithembu.